Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, and what's up? Hey everybody, I'm NaturallyStacey and welcome back to my channel to all of my existing subscribers. And to all my new subscribers, hello, sit down, get a drink, get a snack, and welcome to this week's video. So, I teased you guys last week and told y'all, sorry my Apple Watch was going off. I teased you guys last week and told you all there's going to be a part 2 of where I've been because of some new developments that happened. So, if you guys want to know about the part 2 of where I've been, stay tuned. So, here I am back again, same shirt, same makeup. Did a little improving to the makeup because, well, anyway, I bought this foundation back when it was summer and had a little extra color on my face, and now I don't have it, so we're just gonna make it do. Okay, we're making it do, so don't worry about it. Any hoodle, make zoodle, let's do that. Okay, so, any hoodle. So I did tease you guys last week and told you there was gonna be a part 2 to the video and what's been going on with me, so here we are on a part 2, and here's what's going on. So, I did tell you guys that I was working back in the office 2 days a week, and I was also burning vacation days because we weren't able to take vacation days earlier in the year due to what's been going on around the world, not just in America, but everywhere. So, November 18th was like a normal day. Normal day, let me say it that way. I am sorry, the sun is coming in, and hold please. Sorry guys, that was a package at the door. New Christmas ornaments. So happy. Anyway, let's see. November 18th was a normal day. I was back to work. My birthday was just that previous Friday, so I was back, you know, trying to get on the swing of things and everything. And then I got the glorious news that I was being terminated. So yes, I lost my job. Lost my job the week before Thanksgiving. So due to COVID, I lost my job. I was let go. So you guys are probably wanting to know how you're doing, how you're feeling, the whole shooting match. Let's get into that. So let's see. Unfortunately, well, I'm not going to say unfortunately. Let me just say it like this. I knew it was coming. I'm not going to sit back and be like, oh my God, I was blindsided. I was not blindsided. I knew it was coming. There were signs prior to it that things were not looking good for me. So I'm not going to get into what those signs were. I'm not going to do that. But I will say probably 3 weeks prior, I knew something was up. I literally knew something was up. The way communication was going, the way, just the way things were, just the vibe. I knew something was wrong. So unfortunately, my instincts were correct. So, you know, it happened. Am I disappointed in what happened? You guys want to know how I really truly feel? No. I'm not. I'm not disappointed at all. Here's why. I spent 20 years at a company that, I gotta pick my words. I spent 20 years at a company that I just didn't see I was gonna go any further in. I'm just gonna be real, true, honest. I may end up recording this video again and changing what I say. But to be brutally honest, I was not happy. I personally was not happy. Like I said, the communication was not very good. The way I was being treated was not very good. Like I said, I'm not going to get into too much about it. I'm not gonna, I don't want to really, I don't want to say anything bad because there are some good people that work there that I worked with, and I'm still getting some messages from people. As of to like earlier, last week's video, my phone went off. I was getting a message from some former coworker, you know, which was really nice. I have talked to a few different people, you know, that since I've left. And I noticed there's a lot of people I didn't hear from. And that you know, it's like kind of a telltale sign. You know who your friends are, who you know your friends aren't. So, you know, it's whatever. I'm not even going to get into that. It's not even worth mentioning. But here's the thing. To give you the chain of events, after it happened, I went upstairs. I cleaned my desk. I think I cleaned my desk in under 5 minutes. I was just throwing stuff into a bag. And I happened to have a big bag with me that day, because there was going to be a big meeting that was happening a few days later, no, the next day. And I was thinking that I was going to be sent home to work from home fully again. So I brought a big bag to bring stuff to bring home, not realizing that I was going to be terminated. So it was good I brought the bag. So it was like, you know, it was like God was saying, girl, take that bag because you're going to need it. And I'm glad I took the bag. So I got all my stuff. I called an Uber because, like I told you guys in the last video, I moved and I don't live as close as I used to. So it's not like I can't catch a bus to get home anymore. So I had to call an Uber. And as I'm calling an Uber, I'm getting phone calls about different things. And actually, let me backtrack. I'm sorry. Let me backtrack. As I'm going up the steps, right before I got to my desk, I sent my sisters a text that I told them, because we were all on a group text talking about different things. And they were like, oh, they couldn't believe it. I was like, I'm cleaning my desk. I'll talk to y'all when I get home. Clean my desk, call my Uber, get in the car. I'm on my way home. I talked to Reginald, and I was just, I wasn't upset. I didn't feel bad. I wasn't upset at all at the situation. To be brutally honest, I thought I was going to get let go after the holidays. I'm not even going to lie. I thought they were going to let me go after the holiday. Let me get through the holiday season. And then first of the year, be like, you know what, we can't keep you. Da, 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 da. That would have been perfectly fine for me. But I thought it was really rotten. And this is my video. I'm going to say what I want to say. I thought it was really rude and rotten to do it the week before the holidays. The week before the holiday season started. I thought it was so rude. I thought it was rude. But now, here I am. I'm home. I've been home now a little over a week, because it was a Wednesday when it happened. It's a little over a week now. So as soon as I got home, I talked to my sisters. They were like, we're ready. Folks ready to fight. They was ready to fight. They was like, who we got to call? What we going to do? Da, 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 da. And I was like, I don't care. I'm done. 20 years. I'm good. I think another thing that really there were portions that were upsetting to me. What upset me, I think, the most was I didn't get a thank you for my 20 years. I never got a verbal thank you from the company. Thank you for 20 years. We're so sorry, because due to COVID, but thank you for 20 years of service, of coming in. And I didn't get that. And that was really, really, that was what was so disappointing for me. But now as I think about it, it's like, you know what? Oh, well, I'm happy. I feel I'm in a better place right now. Yes, I'm unemployed for this moment. I'm looking at this as a transition, because as you all know, and I told you guys in the last video, and as you all have known for a while, I'm in school. And right now I am in my final 3 weeks of class. My class ends December 20th. So I'm almost done. I can concentrate on school now. I don't have to juggle my time anymore between school and work and YouTube. And I've been gone from YouTube for 3 months. So it's like now I have that time to really put into this class and start giving you guys more content. That's why, like I said in the last video, I asked you guys, let me know what you guys want to see. I have no problem, you know, putting out what I can, because I was struggling for a time of what to do here on YouTube, and I'm still trying to figure it all out, you know, and hopefully you guys can help me out. But like I said, I'm not upset. I'm not upset. I feel better that I'm going, because with world events right now, I was very nervous going into work those 2 days a week, because my health is something that I take very seriously, and I'm sure others do. But I also have an underlying health condition that I have to take seriously. And I didn't feel that was being taken seriously. So I was, you know, so I rolled with the punches and went along with it. And now I'm home and I'm okay. I'm okay with it. I'm fine. Now I have my first world problems of resisting the urge to buy things. So, but it's like, you ain't got no job. So, but when I got home, like I said, I talked to my sisters, talked to my mom. My mom was like, but everybody, my family was like, you are taking this so well. And I'm taking it well because I feel better now that I'm not possibly putting my mother, my sister, my niece, Reginald, the cat. I mean, because cats can get it too, we found out. I'm not putting anybody in danger because I have to be in a building 9 hours a day, 2 days a week. I'm not putting them in danger. So I feel better. I mean, unfortunately, Thanksgiving, we all still spent it apart. But Christmas, I will be able to really feel better with Christmas because I can be with my mom and I can see my mother. And that was one of the things that really kind of messed me up at the beginning of all of this, was I wasn't gonna be able to see my mom. And, you know, so now I really can see her without any problem. Even though I have seen her. I'm not gonna say I haven't. I have seen her, so, which is really cool. So, after I, you know, talked to my family and everything, I had to digest it. But as I'm digesting it, I'm cashing in my 401k. I had to cash in my 401k. That was like that was the first thing I had to do, because I had bills I needed to pay off, and quickly. Like, I had to pay for my final class. I had to pay credit cards. I had to pay bills to get those out of the way, so there was no problems after that. My unemployment has already been filed, so that was already a done thing. I do need to check on it today as I'm filming, to make sure everything is still cool. And, but yeah, that was like, those are the biggest things I need to do. And I took a nap. I took a nap. I just laid there and I said, I felt good. I slept straight through the night. That is something I have not been able to do for a while. I slept through the night. I was able to really sorry, let me put my phone on silent. I was able to sleep. I didn't have any anxiety about any of it. And really, I don't have anxiety, but I wasn't anxious about everything. And oh my God, I have to go into this building. When I come home, I would come up the steps, strip, go up to the second floor, shower from head to toe. And like I told you guys in the last video, that's why I cut my hair. And I colored it. So after that. So like I said, I'm good. I feel good. I'm happy. No one outside of my family, my core nucleus, knew that this happened. And now I'm putting it out there. And this is really hard for me to do this. But one of the biggest takeaways for me from all of this is feel all your feelings. Feel everything. And that's what I did. I embraced every feeling I had. I was, I'm going to tell y'all something. I was mad. And I'm going to tell you why I was mad. I was mad I had to spend an Uber to go out there for 2 hours to turn around and come right back. And Ubers from where I was working to where I am now, that mess was like $30. I was spending close to $50. So right there tells you. That's what I was more upset about, that because I was like, that's money I could have put towards Thanksgiving dinner or groceries. But instead, here I am going into this place for you all to turn around and terminate me when y'all could have did that over Zoom. I was home the day before. Y'all could have did it over Zoom. I could have came up, grabbed my stuff, or, I could have got a ride and went up there and got my stuff. But instead, you let me waste 2 hours of my day, and I spent $60 on Ubers, to and from. Like, really, bro? That's what I'm doing? So I will say that was what I was the most upset about that day. And like I said, I got to sleep. There's different things that's going on with me health-wise. I feel better. Now I'm in a 2-story house, and my knees hurt a lot going up and down steps. Since I've been home, my knees don't hurt that much. I was having some other issues. They're not happening anymore. So I'm just saying, I think God is basically saying, hey, let me get you up out of there. Let's get you healed, and let's get you somewhere better. So, but yeah, I'm happy. I'm happy now. I'm good. You guys don't worry about me. If y'all want to worry, but don't worry. I'm good. I'm real good. I'm happy. Like I said, I'm very happy now. Now, I've been looking for a new job. I'm, like I said, doing my homework, and now I'm back on YouTube. Something else I didn't mention in the last video, I'm on TikTok now. So I'm under NaturallyStacey on TikTok. I will start putting that on the screen. If I didn't last week, I will this week put my TikTok info on the screen and link it below. So, yep, I am on the TikTok. So, follow me over there. And I'm slowly, getting my feet wet over there. So, help. So, yeah, but that's all. I'm 16 minutes in right now, and I know I have to do a cut at the beginning. So, I'm trying to make this video too long for you all. 2 talking head videos in a row. Okay, come on. So, that's it. I'm going to get out of here. The sun keeps going in and out. I'm sorry. Have to apologize. I didn't feel like setting up lights and all that stuff and actually filming in the other room with the Christmas tree. Yes, the Christmas tree is up. If you guys saw on my Instagram, my black Christmas tree is up. So I'm going to get out of here. You guys can talk to me on all my social medias that you saw at the very beginning. And you will now see me on the TikTok. And also I'm getting ready to start getting the blog back up again. If you got anything you guys want to hear me you guys want to read about, talk to me over there. Talk to me here, and we can have a conversation over there about that stuff. So like I said, let me go. If you guys like videos like this, and you guys want to know, like how I'm coping with everything since I've been home, that's fine. We can do another video like this. That's not a problem. So, talk to me below. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to all the ridiculousness that's going on here. Hopefully, I will have another video next week. I don't know what I'm going to do yet. But please, I'm still taking suggestions. But I'm going to get out of here because I have things to do. And it's, what time is it? It's 11:23. It's almost lunchtime. And I want to clean my desk off and get some more work done. So I'm going to get out of here. Thank you guys again for listening. And I'll talk to you later. Love, peace, and hair products. Bye.